Did you know that more than 3/4 of Americans go online on a daily basis? Not only that, but 43% go on more than once a day, and 26% are online almost constantly. These figures are even higher among mobile internet users. 89% of Americans go online at least daily, and 31% are online almost constantly. As a marketer, it's important to take advantage of the digital world with an online advertising presence by building a brand, providing a great customer experience that also brings more potential customers and more. With a digital strategy, a digital marketing strategy allows you to leverage different digital channels such as social media, pay-per-click, search engine optimization, and email marketing to connect with existing customers and individuals interested in your products or services. As a result, you can build a brand, provide a great customer experience, bring in potential customers, and more. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. Learn more about digital marketing. Join Izeon IT Training now. Izeon IT Training provide professional digital marketing course. Get ready to start your digital marketing career with Izeon IT Training. Izeon IT Training Skill Up course on digital marketing will give you all the necessary skills, techniques to develop. Izeon IT Training Digital Marketing course is developed by experienced digital marketing professionals and trainers and can be taken by anyone who has passed up this course for both offline and online classes. This course will help you learn top skills such as social media marketing, pay-per-click marketing (PPC), affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), content creation, Google Ads, content strategy. Live time training provide for became a digital marketer. Mainly this course is for freshers, traditional marketers, entrepreneurs, brand and communication managers, sales professionals. After completing the course, you will receive a course completion certificate by Izeon IT Training. There is no prerequisite or eligibility criteria to enroll in this course. However, an understanding of basic marketing knowledge would be highly beneficial. Apply now and get certified with Izeon IT Training.